Hello, dear Michelle. About your question, for example, we make this full head machine, embroider this design, and the machine finish this design. But you can see this letter C, it didn't stitch well. So at this situation, we want to stitch this letter again, and we will do like this. Firstly, come to the third step and see how many colors is this design. And you see the C letter belongs to the yellow part, which is the fourth color. It's the fourth color. So we come to the next step and go to the mending function page. This is go back to last color or go forward to last color, and the color we need to mend is fourth color. So we make the machine go to fourth color first. After it goes to the first color, go to the second color. Okay, and then go to the third color. Okay, then we come to the fourth color. Here we can press this button. This is go forward to several stitches and quick speed and normal speed. We firstly use quick speed. And when it's close to the parts we need to embroider, we make it a quick speed stop and come to this slow speed. Okay. So here we come to the letter C, and as for this full head machine, if you only need one head or certain head to do mending, you can turn off the rest heads, and then we can go back this page and press start button. The machine will embroider directly at the certain place. And after it finish mending place, make the machine cut a thread. And then it's okay.